Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are at the beautiful Papi Links place. Okay, so and we are going to unbox this package. Let's go! Okay, so we are here at Papi Links. It is Saturday afternoon here in the Philippines. But we'll probably post it on a different date, and I specifically bought this figure here sa Papi Link's place so we can open it together. So I purchased this from someone online in Facebook, in Marketplace, and this is tara.
Wow,
This is Mage Knight Resurrection, Sira na yung box.
Classic.
Ano ba yun? Classic. Mage Knight Resurrection. So, Papi Ling and myself used to play Mage Knight. So, I have it. So, we can look at it. Okay. Parang ito yung last ata
Anong date yan? 20 ano yan?
Let's see. Okay, so this is the front. Na-crush ng LBC yung yung box. Okay, anyway, it's an old box. Okay, on left side, right side, and at the back we have here.
Sulunabi?
Tignan natin. A brief description. Mage Knight Resurrection HeroClix Epic Campaign Starter Set. The contents include 6 collectible minifigures, you can see here. 6 character cards, powers and abilities card, rule book, 4 full color maps, 6 switch clicks, Mage Knight dials. Ito ata yung yung pwede ito yung
Ano nandiyan?
Hindi, parang Mage Knight, pwede rin siya sa HeroClix. Oo. Mage Knight dials, 48 Horde tokens, 2 dice, 18 object and terrain tokens. Okay, so also available, hindi siya kasama. Also available these figures. Okay, let's open it. Wala na,
Mahal?
1,000? Pwede na. Ano na natin? Throwback.
Buti may nakita ka pa.
Meron na. May isa pa nga dun eh. Dalawa nga sana bibiling ko. Kaso,
Street Fighter.
hindi ko to rin. Sabi ko, isa lang. Ay, natitingnan lang natin.
Murakin mo na.
Hindi, gusto ko yung keep eh.
Parang dyan lang bukasan eh.
Parang dito ka. Okay, so as I said, we used to play a lot of Mage Knight before. I was Atlantis Guild. Papi Link was Necropolis Sec. And shout out to Six Ping. He was Dwarven. Ano ba yun? Dwarven? Ilang?
Dwarven Miners, di ba?
Ayun! Pwede na.
Kapal ka.
Kapal oh.
Parang may mga object pa oh.
Okay.
Pwede sa HeroClix.
Okay. You can open that while I open this one.
Ano to, dial? Hiwalay?
Hindi, yun nga. Kung baga, yung isang dial niya, pang HeroClix, yung isa pang Mage Knight. Mas alam nila Kodre to. Ay! Natanggal!
Ay!
Yung pakpak.
Patay.
Patay.
Ubus ang presyo.
Wala na pa, di pa natin i-keep it. Okay, let's put them out. Pero parang ano siya?
Hindi,
natatanggal talaga.
natatanggal.
Okay. So we have here Quavon. Okay, hindi natin alam to kung sino itong mga to, no? We have Quavon. We have General Mars. Pero parang ang laki na ng scope eh, no? Hindi, wag mo na dikit. Okay lang, natatanggal.
Hindi dikit ko kay ano.
Alin?
Cinderella.
Ay. This is Harrowblade. And we have Sarasas. Alam mo yung pangalan. Parang gato yung parang gato yung mga D&D siguro, no? D&D HeroClix. Cavalier Freeblade.
Immortal Knights.
No, Mortal Knight. Nakita yung mga previews sa D&D. Parang ganito yun. And we have Growl Fang. Okay. So hopefully this get legacy card agad in the upcoming D&D HeroClix set. Let's see. Okay, let's see what else. Nasa yung mga ano yung... Oh, yan, HeroClix, oh.
nga.
Oh, so
So may card siya.
Oh, may card siya. Pwede na. Oh, we have here the terrains.
Nga.
Okay, pwede na.
Mura
May
na,
ganyan ka
may
ba? Lack of terrain. Sa'yo na yan.
Meron ako.
Meron ka ba? And we have heavy object and light object. Wala nang ganyan ngayon. We have
As token, no?
a lot of hordes, mga bystander. Bystander. Vampire Troll and Wild Rider.
Hindi natanggal, oh.
Yeah. Tingnan na natin yan. We have the rule book.
Ayun.
2013 product.
May
30
flurry
years
na ba
ago.
sa Mage Knight? Wala naman, di ba?
Hindi ko alam. Pero ang rulebook niya ano eh. HeroClix rulebook eh.
Nga.
O diba, HeroClix powers and abilities eh.
Kailan pa ba to?
Kasi diba yung...
2013.
Diba sa Mage Knight may bilog?
Hmm.
Ito walang bilog eh. Puro square lang eh. At tingnan natin, baka yung dial nito may bilog. Wala naman. Puro square. Kaso 9 attack eh.
Bilog.
Hold on eh. Tapos we have a couple of...
Ito, may bilog, oh.
Baka yan yung ano...
Ito yung Mage Knight.
Mage Knight. Itong pag ganito, yung may range. Ito yung line of sight niya, di ba? Ito yung ano. Ito pala HeroClix.
Ito Mage Knight to.
So these are already in HeroClix ano.
Ayun, no,
dials.
bilog yun, oh.
Oo nga, tsaka yung ano. Ito yung line of fire eh. And we
Bilog
have a
kasi
couple of
RAM.
dice.
Saka
Right.
basura.
Okay, let's take a look at the cards. Relax lang tayo while we wait for the others. General Mars. Give General Mars. What's General Mars?
9-3? Wala.
An epic action until your next turn when a friendly character makes an attack. Modify their attack value by +1 for each adjacent opposing characters marked with one or more action tokens. That's good. When
Masaya
General
ka,
Mars hits with a ranged combat attack after resolutions, he may give a close combat action as a free action but can't attack the same character. Oh, okay to for 125 points. Okay, let's go with Harrow Blade. Tindi nito. Power of the Mage Stone Powder. It's the general. Mas alam nila may Conrad to eh. Gave Harrow Blade an epic action and choose up to one character per 200 points of the game's build total. Chosen characters can use super strength and at the end of your next turn until the end of your next turn and can pick up objects held by adjacent opposing characters. Uy, okay yun, no? Aagawin niya yung hawak ng iba ng ano. Pag may hawak na equipment, aagawin niya.
Di ba?
Pero ito, object, hindi equipment. Equipment, pwede rin. Sword of the Cans. Immediately after Harrow Blade KOs a character, he may use sidestep and make a close combat attack as free. Lakas din. Pag nakapatay siya, pwede pa siya umatak ulit. Growl Fang. Okay. Growl Fang. It's a wolf. A red wolf. Pain waits in the shadow. Growl Fang can use stealth. Yun lang. Stealth lang pala. Cavalier Free Blade. Ay, ba't ganun? Nakadikit yung card. Ano ba? Kadikit. It's a sticky card. Growl Fang can use Exploit Weakness. When he does, modify his damage value by +1 for each action token on the target. Okay yun. So, pag 2 action token means 2 +2 damage. Cavalier Free Blade. Okay. Whenever any other character on the map rolls a critical hit or a critical miss, you may remove all action tokens from Cavalier Free Blade. Okay? And Cavalier Free Blade can use Battle Fury and Empower. We have the Sarasas. Parang Hindu god. Looks like a Hindu god. Sarasas can use Flurry, Force Blast, and Lip Climb. When he uses Flurry to attack the same target twice, damage dealt by the second attack is penetrating damage. Okay. And may mga team ability sila, yan natin inabutan. Oo, ayan yung mga symbol sa likod, yan inabutan.
Yun.
And the last one is Quavon. Summon the Lost World. Give Quavon an epic action and choose either Barrier or Smoke Cloud. Until your next turn, Quavon and up to, parang Quago eh, up to one friendly character for each 200 points of the game's build
Quabang.
total can choose, and chosen power, and Quavon may use the chosen power as a free action. Okay? Pick up power siya. Quavon can use super senses and toughness. When he uses super senses and succeeds, you may place him within 6 squares and line of fire. Quavon can use outwit and perplex. When he uses perplex to modify the combat value of an opposing character by -1, he may modify the same combat value on himself or an adjacent friendly character by +1. Team ability is Council of the Mist. A character using this team ability can use probability control, but only during your turn, and if the reroll does not have at least one die with a 1 or 6, the reroll is ignored. The end. Okay. So that's it for our quick and dirty unboxing of Mage Knight HeroClix Resurrection. We will try to play this today, so wish us luck. But until next time, bye!